Hi, fourth graders. Happy Friday. It's almost the weekend. You guys know I like to do, some type of little project, something a little bit different than just answering normal questions on Fridays. So I decided we can do a little roller coaster project today. So I just gave you a slide with just some vocab you're going to need. That's it. You can use any of the other slideshows or videos that we've used this week to help you if you're still confused. And as always, get on Zoom, comment on Google Classroom. We're here to help you, okay? So the three vocab terms that we're going to focus on today are gravity, inertia, and acceleration. So gravity is that force that keeps objects on the ground. Inertia is the law that says something stays moving until it's stopped, or something stays still until it's moved. And acceleration is to speed up or slow something down. So, I forgot one thing. Give me 2 seconds, guys. We're going to go over your questions real quick. I don't know why I can't find what I need. And then I'm going to give you a quick review about how to use Google Drawings again. Okay. Sorry, I should have had that ready. So, here's your questions. Your job is to create a roller coaster, but it needs to pass inspection first. You must be able to explain how each vocabulary term relates to your roller coaster. So you're going to tell me, how does your roller coaster use gravity? How does it keep objects on the ground unless there's a force holding them up? How does it use inertia? How does it tell that an object is going to keep moving unless something stops it, or an object is going to stay still unless something moves it? And then you're going to tell me how your roller coaster uses acceleration. So how are you speeding it up? How are you slowing it down? Number 4, you're going to tell me how it uses safety. So think about roller coasters that you may have seen or been on before. How's it going to keep them safe? How is it going to make sure that nobody falls out of your roller coaster? Are you going to let kids on? Do they have to be a certain height for their roller coaster? So think about the safety aspect of it. Each of these is worth 2 points. So you can get 0 points, 1 point, or 2 points, depending on how many details you give me. Doesn't have to be crazy long. It just has to be enough to tell me what is on your roller coaster and how it relates to that vocab term. So please take your time on this. There's only 4 questions. And then I also said for extra credit, use the drawings page to draw your roller coaster. You can also use paper and take a picture. You can post that picture on Dojo, or you can send it to me at that email. Extra credit. So what I will do, if you do a great job on that and you follow all the directions, I will go and take away one of the assignments that maybe you never completed. So if there's a science assignment that you forgot to do or you skipped over it, I will go back and give you credit for that if you complete the extra credit. Let me go over real quick the tools on the drawing. So remember, we have our shape box. So you can use this to make shapes. We've got lots of different shapes here depending on what your roller coaster might look like. Then you can use the paint bucket to figure out what color you want it. This one right here tells you the border color. And then this one tells you how thick the border is. So if you want to get fancy. Lines, you can draw lots of different lines here. A normal line, an arrow, a scribble. So if you just want to, draw your own little line, you can scribble like that. Or if you want it to be a straight line, use one of these. It will keep it straight. Okay. You can also insert images. If you want to find an image on here and put it into your roller coaster, go for it. You can search the web for an image and then press insert. Text box. If you want to add a text box to tell me how something works, press that T and then start typing. But again, if you're not comfortable with drawings, if you'd rather just do paper, that's totally fine with me as long as you are doing the assignment and showing me what it looks like. All right. So that's all I've got for you guys today. I do hope you enjoy these little projects that I try and throw in at the end of the week. If you have any questions, jump on my Zoom, ask your teacher, comment on Google Classroom. We miss you. Stay safe. Have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye, Adams.